right, so hopefully that video gave you some more information on the cloud. I will be linking an extra video, what is the cloud? I'll throw it in one of the slides. I know you don't see it in the video, but I'll also throw a link in this week's module. All right, so let's explore very briefly some AWS services, and we'll wrap up the week, and we'll look at this week's lab. So AWS does have some infrastructure solutions, right? It's going to be infrastructure and platform. Of course, it does also have software solutions, but in the context of this class, we're really focused on infrastructure and platform. So AWS is best known for its infrastructure as a service offerings. So it's providing computing resources over the internet. So of course, one of the core services is Amazon EC2, which we'll be exploring all next week. We're going to take a deep dive on that. There's S3, so that's the storage, the popular storage service from Amazon. So if you want to just do long-term storage of data. And then we also have AWS Lambda, so that's serverless computing for running code without managing the servers. So you can run your code, don't have to worry. So it's kind of going into the platform side, right? But it's still infrastructure as a service because it's handling all the stuff for you. And then we have platform as a service. So it's providing you a platform for developing, deploying, and managing applications. So this means all you need to deliver is the app. You don't have to tweak any of the computing resources. You don't have to worry about operating systems. You don't have to do any of the configuration of the cloud computing. All you have to do is deliver the software, service, data, whatever you're storing, right, in the cloud computing solution. Here is where you're actually tweaking, right? How much, what type, when to do what. I know we're kind of speaking abstractly right now, but once we take a deep dive into these services, it'll kind of all make a little bit more sense. But yeah, infrastructure, just know you have fine-tuned control. Platform, all you're doing is, drop in your app, drop in your data, and they're taking care of the rest. And of course, they do also have software as a service. Think Gmail, right? Google Docs, those are software as a service. Amazon does have some of those as well, but those won't be the focus of this class. So yeah, let's go ahead and take a look at this week's lab.